Today I'm going to show you how to change the injector throat and injector nozzle on a 5600 Fleck water softener. 15 5/16 nut driver. We always change the O-rings whenever we're working with the valves. Screen. I'll put this in because I forgot to put it in last time. This is an injector throat. And by the way, you would do this is if your water softener is not drawing brine or these parts are disintegrated, which happens over time, especially with high chlorine contents like we have here in the Phoenix metro area of Arizona. The chlorine content's so high here because they use water stored in reservoirs and also CAP water, which is the acronym of Colorado Central Arizona Project water, comes from Colorado. So by the time it gets here, our cities put so much chlorine in that the chlorine disintegrates these parts. So we find the tipping point's about 5 years. All this has to be changed. We're adding these instructional videos on our webpage because we want you to know that we're here to support any units you have, and by sharing this information with you, I learn as well. I spend most of my time in the office and I have great technicians. Dan's done a wonderful job preparing this room here to work on these units. Sometimes I have more parts left over after I put them together. This is a 1/4 inch nut driver. This is a 15 5/16 nut driver. Double check my work. Make sure there's no extra parts, screws and things. And it's coming together very nicely when you have all the right tools and everything's organized. Like Dan's done a good job here organizing all of our little parts and esoteric O-rings and By the way, if you ever need a great company to fix your car, if you're ever in an accident, hope you're never in an accident, this is a great company right here. They're just on the other street from us here in Mesa, Arizona. Mesa, Arizona has one of the finest car companies, Coachworks Auto Body. They fix our trucks, they build our trucks. It's a great company to make sure that you get the full value out of your insurance policy. Some companies don't care about making sure that they restore the vehicles to pre-accident condition, but this company here does. And let me just read you their phone number. 480-890-2500. Coachworks Auto Body.